Marimon. I am Kanoy.
And I am Nauga. We are from grade 11 IA Malakas. In this video, we will present our findings in real-life example of propositions and analyze their truth value. Bioderm. Total protection for a healthy family, or protection to our body with germs and bacteria. As you can see, Bioderm Family Germical Soap is the ideal germ protection for the whole family, as it is proven effective in protecting skin from germs that can cause infection to our body.
Nissan breadstick. Delicious crunchy golden brown. Biscuit baked to perfection, savor to the sweet salty flavor of Frenchy baked bread and every pack.
It can give nutrition to our body because it has wheat, milk, and sulfite may contain soy and egg, hazelnut, and peanut. And it can give us a protein with 4% and iron for 15%.
Marcos Guard tightened as Sarah-based slave plant.
Malacanang considered the vice president disclosure that she had arranged the assassination of the president, the first lady, and the speaker if an alleged plot to kill her succeed as an active threat that must be thwarted. The President Security Command says her brazen statement is a national security threat and will do everything to protect the president.
Litong-lito na ako. Pagod na ako. Hindi ko na kaya. Ayoko na. Itong mga salitang to ay kadalasan mong maririnig sa isang estudyante o trabahante. Pero sa kabila ng lahat ng ito, naiisip niyo pa ba yung future niyo? Kaya ako, di ako basta-basta sumusuko. Kasi alam ko sa sarili ko na my partner is always on my side. Have an improved Kopiko Blanca creamy roasted coffee with New Zealand milk that adds more content that makes it creamiest to creamier to get you ready and focused. Actually, nakakapagod naman talaga ang pagtatrabaho o pag-aaral. But don't let negativity control you. Have a Kopiko Blanca. Thick, delicious, creamy.